Welcome everybody. It is Crypto Moose, and we're gonna get loose. Mitchell Bouchard, your crypto and NFT investor. What we're gonna do on this episode is give you a step-by-step tutorial how you can add MELD tokens to your MetaMask, so you can now hold MELD and other MELD native assets with your MetaMask, and also how you can swap later on as well. And we're also going to talk about Trezor support as well. So this will be hopefully a one-shot video. If you guys get something out of this, smash the like button, subscribe. We got a lot to cover here. So if you guys want to start picking up some raw dog, some dog, whatever other meme tokens, or even just MELD and hold it using MetaMask, this is the video for you. So let's dive right into this. And by the way, you guys can use this channel. I've got specific videos on, for example, MetaMask wallet setups. I've got, step-by-step where I even taught my sister how to do this. So if you guys want to know how to set up a MetaMask wallet, I've got that for you as well. So I've got a few of these. So let's dive right into it. A couple of key notes here. I'm going to be using a different Google extension that I don't normally use, because I want to make sure that we can, add tokens. I'm going to assume that, you don't even have MetaMask. So this is the wallet that we're going to use here. Okay. So right now we've got a NAMI, and I should have a little bit of MELD on there. So I have some MELD on MELD. We should be able to get things going. So the first step is to download MetaMask, okay? So I have links provided for you in the description, and I will pin them down below. Should be no issues. So what we're going to do is download MetaMask. We're going to download the Chrome extension. This is what you want to do. Install MetaMask Chrome. So I've done this a few times, and I'm trying to get this organized for the tutorial. Should be good. So there we go. And typically you want to back this up. So write down your seed phrase, write down your words. For me as a tutorial, we're not going to be doing all that. We're going to keep this simple. So we're going to create a new wallet, and yes, agree. Here we're going to put in a password, just something new. There we go. I understand. And we're not going to back this up, but you should back up your words. Never share your seed with anyone. Okay. So there we go. Now we're going to pin this. So go to the top right under wallet, click on pin. Okay, so now if we close, all we have to do is open up our Chrome extension tool wallet. Okay, so that is how you install MetaMask. Very simple. From there, you guys should recover your seed word. Do it right away. Recover your word. So that's my 2 cents. So the next step is to add the MELD network. So right now we are on the Ethereum network. Okay, so we got Ethereum, Linea, those two show up. We need to add MELD. So how do we do that? Well, we've got a document here. So using MELD with your MetaMask. So settings, networks. Okay, very simple here. So settings, and then network. So all the way down here, okay, we're going to add a network. Okay, so here we're going to click add network. All right, so for the tutorial, I want to make sure you can see everything as well. And this is the network name. It's MELD. So we're going to copy that. Okay, so here we go. Add manually, sorry. So here we're going to add MELD, okay? And you're just going to paste in all this information. Very simple, step by step. I've done this a few times. So we have the link for you. The new RPC URL. So here we're going to plug that in. And then here we're going to paste this, chain ID, currency symbol, GMELD. And then block explorer URL, MELD scan. So save. Switch to MELD. So now we're going to switch over to MELD, and we can now see our GMELD here. So GMELD is the token used for the gas fee. So when you are doing transactions, you're going to spend a little bit of GMELD here, okay? So I also have videos on how to bridge and add some GMELD. There are different ways you guys can go about this. But what I'm going to do is just send some eventually as well. So we'll get into that and more in this tutorial. All right, so for step number 3, this is completely optional. If you guys do have a hardware wallet, all you're going to do is get your hardware wallet ready. And I do have a small cable connected to my computer. So this is a Trezor Safe 5. So here I've got my wallet connected into my computer. Probably hard to see, but it's in the corner there. And all we're going to do is click on MetaMask, go under accounts, and first make sure that you're on the Meld network, okay? So you can switch between these. All right, so all you're going to do is go to add account or hardware wallet, add hardware wallet, and select which one you have. So if you want to, you can do that. We're going to move on to the next step. So we've showed you how to add the network. Now we're going to show you how to add tokens. And what you're going to do is use the link down in the description below. So we got some more links for you. And this is going to be meldscan.io/tokens. So if we take a look at our wallet, we've got Gmeld, nothing in there yet. And here we want to import different tokens. So there are different ways of doing this, but what I recommend is to just hover over the token you want and click on the Add MetaMask. From there, you're going to add token. So now we've added Meld on Meld, and it wants us to back up the wallet because we're starting to get into the point where we're adding tokens. Now when we take a look at the wallet, we can see Gmeld and Meld. So here we can continue to add different assets. So anything that you like, that you've used maybe, here's a meme token. So we can add to MetaMask. We can add Raw Dog, add token. So taking a look at the wallet, we can now see Raw Dog. So if we send Raw Dog to our Meld address, it will be seen in our wallet. So we can now connect MetaMask and use things as we normally would, okay? So very powerful, and I do like seeing that there. So let's get into the next steps. So the next step is to add Meld tokens to MetaMask. Now we're getting to the point where there are different ways of doing this. Ultimately, what you want to do is send Meld on Meld's chain to your Meld address. So all we're going to do is click on our wallet, and we are going to make sure we're under Meld, the network, and under account 1, we're going to copy our Meld address. So if we send any Meld tokens on the Meld blockchain to this address, they will then be stored on this wallet. So here I have my other account, and what we're going to do is we're going to go to meld.com. So I do have a Meld wallet where I have Meld on Meld. Okay, so we're going to open up the Meld app, and guys, I have tutorials on this, how to set up a wallet. I've gone over this so many different times. We don't have to make this any more confusing than it already is. And in fact, there are different ways of doing this. So what I'm going to do in this video is just send Meld to Meld, but also troubleshoot and show you some other things that you can do as well. So under Meld here, all we're going to do is click on our Meld on Meld. And if you have to, you can bridge it. So let's say you have Meld on Anami or whatever it may be, or perhaps you want to connect your MetaMask to this, you can do all that. So I'm just showing you some of the steps here. We're going to go to Meld on Meld, and we're going to go to this sending away, and we're just going to send a little bit. Let's say we send, I don't know, 100 Meld, $1 worth. So here we're going to copy our Meld account 1. We're going to paste it, and we're going to send a small amount. Let's say it's even 100 Meld tokens, $1 worth. So we're going to hit review, send, and now we've sent 100 Meld to that wallet. Okay, so if you're going to use this wallet, you're also going to want to have some Gmeld. So right here, we can see that we have 100 Meld in this wallet already. So really what you can do is also connect this MetaMask through your Meld app. But I've already connected my other MetaMasks, and I just don't want to have to reset that. But just so you know, that's how you can do this. So this Meld is on here. And again, what we can do is send some Gmeld as well. So we have Gmeld on Meld. See, this one's already got my other MetaMask set up. So here, might as well just send a little bit so it has a little bit of fees. Again, it's the same address. So we're going to copy that. And there's so many different ways of doing this. So our max is 1.4. So we can do 0.1 even. Here we'll do 0.4. Review, send. So now we'll have a little bit of Gmeld. And you guys can use your Meld app to bridge things over. You can connect that MetaMask to your Meld app. So it doesn't have to be that complicated. It's already there. Meld is very fast. That's one thing I like. Here you can now send other tokens like RawDog. We can copy our address, paste it, and send, let's say, 1,000 RawDog. So the value is not really going to show well, but with the Gmeld, it's very cheap, very simple to send and receive assets. So we sent 1,000 RawDog, and we'll see how long it takes to receive in our wallet. There we go, 990 RawDog. So I think there's a fee, whatever it may be. But that's how this works. It's very simple. Now what we can do is connect this wallet to Azomi. So let's give this a shot, and I'll zoom in here to give you guys a better perspective. We're now going to connect our MetaMask to Azomi. Okay, so here we can connect our account, and if you're using a hardware wallet, you can use that method as well. So next, confirm. And now if we click on our wallet, we can see our assets. Now we can begin to trade and make swaps using Azomi. So if we click on RawDog and let's say we wanted to sell, maybe get some Meld, we could do that. So it's like $7 worth. We could also do the opposite, set your slippage. I've done tutorials on this. So ladies and gentlemen, if you enjoyed this video, please comment down below, smash a like button. Guys, head over to the link tree. We're doing a giveaway. You may have a little bit of time left. That ends September 5th of this year. So the moose is loose. We'll see you in the next one.